Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Gougères Bourguignonne. These cheese puffs are made with a savory choux pastry, where sugar is replaced by Gruyere cheese. Here are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Pour the liquid into the pan and season with salt and some nutmeg. Here we are using half water and half milk. Add the butter and bring to boil. As soon as it starts to boil, remove it from the heat and add all the flour at once. Stir immediately with a whisk to avoid forming grains. The dough will thicken very quickly. Keep stirring with a whisk until all the grains are gone. Once the dough becomes smooth, place the dough back on the heat and stir it with a wooden spoon for 2 minutes. The dough will dry out, forming a ball that detaches from the pan. Transfer the dough into a bowl and let the dough cool down so it doesn't cook the eggs. Now, before we continue, let's prepare the eggs. The amount of eggs you need is based on weight, not on the number of eggs. So be careful. Beat all the eggs together and add them to the dough gradually. The dough will look funny at first. Keep stirring until the egg you added is combined. If you add too much egg mixture, there is no way back. The consistency will be too runny and the dough will not keep its shape when cooked. Now you can add some more eggs gradually. Always add a small amount at the time. To check if you've added enough eggs and the dough is ready, make a line in the dough with your finger. The dough will slowly close back on itself. Now you can stop. You may have some eggs left over. Do not add them. Now you can add the grated Gruyere cheese and combine it. Finally, we can prepare the piping bag. You need to use a large nozzle. If you don't have it, use the piping bag without it. Place the piping bag inside a bowl to keep it straight and roll the top of the bag to keep it open. Fill the dough into the pastry bag. When you are done, lift the edges. Lay the bag flat on the table and push the dough toward the nozzle with a spatula. No dough gets wasted. Twist the end of the bag and fold it on itself. This is a very important step, as you need to hold the piping bag with only one hand. Cover a large baking tin with parchment paper. Pipe the choux buns, leaving 2 inches or 5 centimeters on each side. The choux will rise while cooking. Wet a fork in warm water. Smooth down the peaks of the piped choux. Sprinkle the choux buns with some grated Gruyere cheese. Bake in a hot oven for 20 minutes at 355 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Do not open the oven while they are cooking. Once they are ready, let them cool down in the oven with the door open. They can be served plain or stuffed with a creamy filling. They are crispy on the top and soft and hollow inside. For more finger food recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Let the party begin.